continues a special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision air-based missiles of the Russian Aerospace Forces have...
Militer Rusia merilis perkembangan operasi khusus militer di Ukraina pada hari 81. Juru bicara militer Rusia, Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov mengatakan, pasukan rudal dan artileri mengenai 6 pos komando, 123 area konsentrasi tentara dan peralatan militer, dan 13 baterai artileri Ukraina di posisi tembak. Serangan tersebut mengakibatkan musnahnya lebih dari 150 nasionalis dan hingga 26 kendaraan lapis baja dan bermotor. Pertahanan udara Rusia dalam semalam menembak jatuh 15 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina di antaranya dekat Novotroitsko, Vladimirovka, Petrovsko, Lugansko dari Republik Rakyat Donetsk dan divisi Solenu atas Pulau Ular. Selain itu, satu rudal taktis Tokau dicegat di dekat Stepnu, wilayah Kherson, dan 11 roket peluncur ganda Smerk dicegat di dekat Kamenka, Malaya Kamisevaha, Braskovka, wilayah Kharkov, dan Chernobayevka, wilayah Kherson. Secara total, 165 pesawat Ukraina dan 125 helikopter, 879 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 306 sistem rudal anti-pesawat, 3098 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya dieliminir. Juga 381 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 1525 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 2.934 unit khusus kendaraan militer dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Majen Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur hari ini. Dari Ukraina, dilaporkan Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina merilis pada hari 81 invasi Rusia, sudah 27.400 tentara Kremlin tewas. Dalam 24 jam, 200 tentara musuh dieliminir di sejumlah lokasi. 28 kendaraan tempur Rusia dicegat dan dihancurkan. Secara total, sudah 200 pesawat tempur dan 164 helikopter ditembak jatuh. Juga 416 drone Kremlin dihancurkan di udara. Sebanyak 1.220 tank Rusia dieliminir dan 13 kapal perang Angkatan Laut Kremlin ditenggelamkan. Belum ada tanda-tanda dua pihak berdamai. Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelensky terus memberi motivasi pasukan dan meminta bantuan internasional mengusir Rusia.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continues a special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision air-based missiles of the Russian Aerospace Forces have hit 2 command posts, 11 company strong points, and 4 ammunition depots of Ukrainian armed forces near Zaporozhye, Paraskovyevka, Konstantinovka, and Novomikhailivka of the Donetsk People's Republic. Operational tactical and army aviation have hit 32 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration, 2 S-300 anti-aircraft missile launchers and 1 radar post near Shpilivka, Sumy region have been destroyed. Missile troops and artillery have hit 6 command posts, 123 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration, and 13 Ukrainian artillery batteries at firing positions. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 150 nationalists and up to 26 armored and motor vehicles. Russian air defense means overnight shot down 15 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Novotroitskaya, Vladimirovka, Petrovskaya, Luganskaya of the Donetsk People's Republic, Epifanovka, Kudryshovka, Verkhnya Duvanka of the Lugansk People's Republic, Chkalovskaya, Velikiye Prokhody, Vysshaya Solenaya in Kharkov region, and over Snake Island. In addition, 1.U tactical missile was intercepted near Stepnoye, Kherson region, and 11 Smerch multiple launch rockets were intercepted near Kamenka, Malaya Kamisevaha, Brashkovka, Kharkov region, and Chernobayevka, Kherson region. In total, 165 Ukrainian aircraft and 125 helicopters, 879 unmanned aerial vehicles, 306 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,098 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 381 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,525 field artillery and motors, as well as 2,934 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.